what's something called that has no body and no nose?
Nobody knows.
That's cool.
Very cool.
I think it's a chocolate.
That's actually what it's named from the picture. Yeah. I read it and I was like, that's really cool.
Any bird in the family is really cool. It's a chocolate. You have to believe in it. You have to do the dance first.
Look, he's dancing. Oh, wait. I don't know. Wait, he's so big.
Look over there. I don't know, maybe some.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, it does look like it's not a brown jay. Brown jay, no? Yeah, I knew it.
Oh, yeah.
It's not a chocolate. That's the
This is my child, unfortunately.
Oh, sick. Oh, what are you filming for?
Joel. For study abroad.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. For the VR thing.
Oh, I didn't know about that.
It makes me have like VR headset just to make a 360 video.
Great, wow.
You're gonna be in a thing.
Yeah.
You're gonna, oh.
The yellow tail. Jason, do you want it?
I don't know what camera.
Yeah, it's all the same. I got you have to buy it.
Yellow tail up there? Where is it? I can't see it. Oh, I see.
Yeah, I would just do it.
Yeah, but I'm also like blind. Like, I can't see that far from me. Brown jays. I didn't bring my contacts, so I was like, which one's that?
Put it back in the bottom.
I can see enough, I just can't see details. I can't see.
Okay, at least the bunk spray so that people can use it. Yeah. I was just saying that. So what is VR? Like, can you tell me more about it?
Yeah, so basically we take this video and we put it in the VR headset, and then students can like look, cherry pick.
Shannon, do you know it was a brown bird with a really bright yellow tail?
This is a VR camera?
Is it to what's the purpose?
So people can kind of see what it is like.
Interesting. Is it where do you like make this available?
At all of the like abroad fairs, yeah,
Cool.
to show different places. We have some pictures already, like we have some footage of those pictures.
Yeah, I would imagine it's a lot better on trips like these. Oh, you're so much. I would say the most of them was nice.
Without paying attention. Oh my, you got none to jump out.
I know, I bought a flowery orchid out of it.
Remember what kind it was?
Off the top of my head, no.
Does it look like the one in
Yeah, that.
Oh, that's the one.
It was a tropical orchid. Oh, I have a picture of it somewhere. All I remember is as a kid, got one there for Christmas. Everyone's like, oh, it's like, I think it was an issue with the pop.
The guy looked at me like it was my fault.
Apparently there was like water or something, so they repotted it. I think it's really
Dropping like $100 on a plant for someone that might not know how to take care of it. Like, it's wild.
She had a whole greenhouse. They stopped it.
You were so incorrectly. You could have gotten like a fountain off and sorted out like giant.
What do you ask her?
$100 is
I was trying to break you. She looks cute. I'm not gonna lie, I was a bit of a dude.
Oh my god, what? The face. Sometimes you can be a dude, so like, you know, live and learn.
So then I went, and then she kept going. Everything's getting hit by it.
What do you do?
I'm thinking that that's like that.
You take the fall, man.
I can take it. Push got man over and then she went to the ball.
Right after?
Yeah, she didn't feel like
Look, is your foot okay?
We stopped because somebody drew an arrow in the sidewalk here. We're trying to see what they're telling us to look for. A very large, purposeful arrow.
Oh, go this way for buried treasure.
whatever it is, it's gonna jump on top.
I'm ready now.
That's the truth.
Well, they might have been pointing to something that moved.
Maybe some kid just drew that.
It should just say that.
Actually, behind
It
me
shouldn't
now.
have
Might have been a mistake right on the ground.
Yeah.
It needs to go that way.
Nice little flowers there. Oh,
There's no information in this
Pointing
one.
to the X.
Oh, what do you got?
Right there. It's a small guy.
yeah, there's little snakes out
It's an
here.
eyelash viper. Damn, it's an eyelash viper.
And I saw the arrow. Hence,
We were about to
I get the
leave.
credit.
Good job.
Oh.
Good eye,
Here, look at my phone.
What color is it?
It's
Whoa.
greenish
brown speckle.
brown.
So cute and tiny.
Yeah, I saw him on Shannon's phone.
Woo!
I was just looking at the flowers.
Andy has a shirt on.
Is it in the flowers?
Small.
It's on the flower, yeah.
Oh.